In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under population. So guys, this video will be an introduction to population. We have 8 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, every economy requires an accurate census because it assists in providing a sound framework for policy formulation, solving unemployment problems, stimulating economic activities in the national economy, solving inflation problems. So the right answer is that it assists in providing a sound framework for policy formulation. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question in this one, it says, the purpose of conducting a census is to enable a country to plan her capital inflow and outflow, determine the optimal level of population, determine the growth rate of population, plan her growth and development. So the right answer is to enable a country plan her growth and development. Next question is this one. It says, census of population is usually conducted every 10 years. Option C, guys, very important. Next question in this one, it says, one of the major problems of census in Nigeria is we have inadequate skilled personnel, high dependency ratio, high cost of conducting census, distortion of census figures. The right answer is distortion of census figures. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question is this one. It says, the problems of conducting census include high rates of rural-urban migration, poor time planning in urban areas, high birth rate in the country, poor geographical distribution of population. Right answer is high rates of rural-urban migration. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says, the major problem of conducting census in Nigeria is we have inadequate skilled personnel, financial constraint, urban congestion, lack of political will. The right answer is financial constraint. Okay, next question in this one. It says, an accurate population census is important in order to fast-track industrial development, provide employment opportunities for the people, estimate the country's per capita income, produce more food for the growing population. The right answer is option C, which is to estimate a country's per capita income. The last question for end this video is this one. It says, a well-conducted census is important for very effective revenue generation, optimum population, good economic planning, effective defense. So guys, the right answer is that a well-conducted census is important for good economic planning. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving intro to population for your JAMB economics practice with 8 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exams like a JAMB and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.